جو ہو گیا سو ہو گیا. What is done is done. What is done is done. وہ تمہارا کیا لگتا ہے؟ Who is he to you? Who is he to you? یہ اتنا آسان ہے کہ ایک بچہ بھی اسے کر سکتا ہے. It's so easy that even a child can do it. It's so easy that even a child can do it. آپ کا غصہ جائز ہے. Your anger is justified. Your anger is justified. دیواروں کے بھی کان ہوتے ہیں. Even the walls have ears. Even the walls have ears. میں اپنے پاپا سے ملتا جلتا ہوں. I resemble my father. I resemble my father. اس کا تو سوال ہی پیدا نہیں ہوتا. It's out of the questions. It's out of the questions. اپنا ہی گھر سمجھو. Make yourself at home. Make yourself at home. لگتا ہے تمہاری آج طبیعت ٹھیک نہیں ہے. It seems you don't feel well today. It seems you don't feel well today. مجھے چکر آ رہے ہیں. I am feeling dizzy, or you can say that I am feeling giddy. غلطی سے ہو گیا تھا. It was done by a mistake. It was done by a mistake. آپ فضول میں پریشان ہو رہے ہیں. You are unnecessarily worried. You are unnecessarily worried. یہ تمہارا مسئلہ نہیں ہے. This is not your concern problem. کسی چیز کی ضرورت ہو تو بتانا. Let me know if you need something. Let me know if you need something. میں اور کر بھی کیا سکتا تھا. What else could I even do? What else could I even do? آپ کے بہت احسان ہیں مجھ پہ. I owe a lot to you. I owe a lot to you. میچ جتوانا تمہارے ہاتھ میں ہے. To win the match is in your hand. To win the match is in your hand. کارٹون دیکھنے کی ضد کر رہا تھا. He was insisting on watching cartoon. He was insisting on watching cartoon. میری کسی سے نہیں بنتی. I don't get along with anyone. I don't get along with anyone. تمہیں جھوٹ بولنے سے پرہیز کرنا چاہیے. You should refrain from telling a lie. You should refrain from telling a lie. میرے جانے کے بعد تمہارا کیا بنے گا. When I go, what will become of you? When I go, what will become of you? اس کی باتوں میں آ کر اس نے یہ گھر بیچ دیا. He has sold this house, being trapped in his words. He has sold this house, being trapped in his words. عقل نام کی بھی کوئی چیز ہوتی ہے. There is something called wisdom. There is something called wisdom. مجھے اس سے ملنے کی کوئی جلدی نہیں. I am in no hurry to meet him. I am in no hurry to meet him. میرے پاس دوسرا آپشن نہیں تھا سوائے چپ رہنے کے. I had no other option but to keep quiet or silent. I had no other option but to keep quiet or silent.